My question is, for those listening that are in the military, what are some of the differences? Like what, or I guess it could be either challenges that members of the military face when it comes to money, or, and also maybe there are some really key benefits. But,
Absolutely.
you've not written a guide to financial independence and retirement. You've written the military guide. So what's different about being in the military when it comes to financial independence and retirement?
Well, the first part is, and the most obvious part is the military benefits themselves. Everybody is initially exposed to the military from the perspective of getting money for college. You're going to go do your 4 or 6 or 8 years, and you'll have money at the other end that will support you getting your college degree or your advanced certification, whatever your goal is. And so that's attraction. There's, of course, the attitude of you can join the military and get rich. I hear that occasionally, especially from parents who have been hearing it from a recruiter for their, young teenage new recruit. And so we talk about joining the military to, help pay off debt. Sure, maybe get some money and be able to reach financial independence if you do it for a sustained career. But we don't talk about getting rich in the military. And we also talk about using the benefits that you have after you leave the military. For example, if you are a veteran, you've got some benefits coming to you from the Veterans Administration, not just the GI Bill, but also VA disability compensation. Maybe there's some other benefits in healthcare there, and of course we have to sort through that. Veterans are also eligible for a better loan, the VA loan. It's actually a loan made by any other lender. It just has the VA's guarantee behind the loan. And we talk about all those benefits and how to use them. Many times something might be messed up with the process. And so the Guide to Military Independence and Retirement was intended to raise awareness. Hey, if you're in the military, you can reach financial independence while you're on active duty. And then to explain how to do that with the skills you learn in the military. And I start from the simplest result, which is to do 20 years and retire. That's only simple because of the financial aspect of it. Of course, 20 years in the military, again, only 15% of the people stick around that long. But then we talk about reaching financial independence if you don't do 20 years of active duty, or if you don't do 20 years in the military at all, and making that transition to the bridge career and other issues to consider. So the word retirement is more about a military pension than it is about retiring at the age of 65.